How to start live audio broadcast on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Then, click on what's on your mind at the top. In here, you'll find live video at the bottom. Click on live video. After you click on live video at the bottom, you'll find live audio option. Click on live audio. It will be changed into audio, then click on go live. After you go live, you'll find this kind of screen. You can mute, flip camera if it's video, but to audio, there is no option for camera. I am just showing you the example as this is not available in my region. And this is how to start a live audio broadcast on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.